This is a tripod that I made from 3D printed parts and broomsticks. It rolls and is adjustable in height and also in angle for the camera itself. To be honest, I made it just because I wanted to, and it probably ended up costing about the same as a normal tripod would with a rolling setup. Weirdly, broomsticks are surprisingly expensive. So you should probably just buy one on Amazon instead of 3D printing your own. This is the 3D printed hub. I ended up using 3D printed screws. Probably should have just used regular screws, but I had never tried to do 3D printed threads and I wanted to give it a shot. I use TPU because it's bendy and can hold on to the shaft to adjust it. I wanted the neck of the tripod to be easy to adjust, so I used a bolt and a wing nut. I used rounded teeth and holes in order to lock the position of the joint. Finally, we have the wheels of the tripod. I'd like to thank my patrons and thank everybody for watching. And please leave a like and subscribe and be easy on yourself.